So, children, let us begin with our second chapter, that is computer memory and storage device. This is very important chapter. Here we should know what is data, what are instructions, what are information, and what is computer memory. Okay, what is data means? Data are the facts and figures or the words that we enter into computer to work on. So input, whatever we give, is called the instructions or commands that tell the computer what work to be done. Okay, next is information. Information means what is the output or result given by the computer. After we give the input, we always get output, so result is called what? Information. Next is computer memory. Like our brain, even computer got its own memory so that it can remember what all data, what all information you had given or you had asked for. It will be stored in where? Computer memory. Let us learn this subject in depth. So children, we should know how computer stores the data. Okay, so there are certain data storage units and we should know it. So computer is a machine. Okay, we call it as electronic machine. So whatever machines are there, what information we feed into the computer, they gets converted into machine understandable codes. So what they get converted into? Machine understandable codes. So what are those? There are two states in this, two types or two states. Okay, they are, one is on state and this is off state. On state is represented with digit 1 and off state is represented with digit 0. So this is on and off. So 1 and 0, these are called as what? Binary digits. Why binary? Binary means what? 1 and 0. There are only two numbers. So it's called binary digits. So the information that we store in the computer, it will be in the form of bits. What it will be? In the form of bits. And it will be measured in bytes. How it will be measured? In bytes. How bytes? That means 1 byte will be equal to 8 bits. So it will be in the form of what? Bytes. So bit means what? Only one digit. That is, it may be 1, it may be 0. This is called bit. 1 is a bit, 0 is a bit. But I told you byte means what? Combination of 8 bits. So let us take an example. So 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0. So totally there are how many bits? This is 1 bit, 2 bit, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. So byte is a combination of what? 8 bits. You have to remember this. So children, I told you byte is a combination of 8 individual bits come together to make a byte. See here, they have shown an example. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. See here, how many bits are there? This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So totally 8 individual bits come together to make a byte. So this you have to remember. This is just an example. The numbers may be even 0001111 or 11110000. It may be any combination. Okay, but the combination of 8 individual bits, when it come together, it is called as what? A byte. So you have to remember this. Children, what if the computer has to be stored with a higher memory? Here is a list. So you have to remember this complete memory size in which the information or the computer can have the storage or memory. So 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 1024 byte is equal to 1 kilobyte or KB, 1025 KB is equal to 1 megabyte or MB, 1024 MB will be equal to 1 gigabyte or 1 GB, 1024 GB is equal to 1 terabyte or TB. Now 1024 TB is equal to 1 petabyte or PB. Again 1024 PB is equal to 1 exabyte, that is EB. Next 1024 EB will be equal to 1 zettabyte or 1 ZB. Next is 1024 ZB will be equal to 1 yottabyte, that is 1 YB. Just you have to remember this chart. Nothing more, but you have to remember the memory units can be stored in this way in the entire computer system.